Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Gemini beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Gemini, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After setting up your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the app and log in. Upon logging in, you will be greeted with the home screen. Take a moment to explore the different sections of the app. To personalize your experience, navigate to the Settings menu. In the settings, you can adjust your preferences and notifications. Next, let's explore how to add funds to your Gemini account. Go to the Wallet section and select the option to add funds. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the funding process. Once your account is funded, you can start trading. To begin trading, go to the Market section. Here, you can view different cryptocurrencies available for trading. Select a cryptocurrency you're interested in to view more details. After selecting a cryptocurrency, decide whether you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review the details. If everything looks good, confirm your transaction to proceed. You can track your trades and portfolio from the dashboard. Lastly, familiarize yourself with any educational resources available in the app. These resources can help you stay informed about the cryptocurrency market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.